Best EdTech Startup of the Year goes to Doc Tutorials. Congratulations.
I'm Karthik, co-founder of Doc Tutorials. It's an online education platform for medical sector, and Doc Tutorials has won the Best EdTech Startup of the Year award, organized by HyBiz Tv. Happy to receive this award. I thank the organizers for electing us. So, Doc Tutorials is a platform where we provide online coaching for NEET PG, NEET SS, and FMG online examinations. So, NEET PG is to get into your PG medical college, and SS stands for Super Specialty Entrance Exam, and FMG stands for Foreign Medical Graduate Exam. So we Doc Tutorials, we coach for all these three competitive exams, and moving forward we are planning to launch curriculums for both MBBS and PG.